What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, I was on a 6-hour flight delay, so I wasn't able to stream live last night. So I decided to come here today and give you guys the live stream and get ready for this week. Okay, so we're going to be doing lifetime Discord winner number 56 today. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. I'm also going to be doing a $500 cash giveaway soon. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like. So we're going to do a market outlook. I'm going to talk about my big announcement with conditional orders. We're going to look at ES, NQ, NVDA, Amazon, Tesla, SCMI. I'm going to take some of your chart requests and take some questions, and then we're going to wrap it up. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Mike, what's going on, brother? Trading Wars Army. Bill, Dr. D, RC, Jonathan, Johnny, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Frank, Byron, what's going on? All right. Okay. So let's start off here. We're going to start off with doing the market outlook right now. Okay, what's going on, Joe, Jay, Healthy? What's going on? All right. So we started our price action. I'm going to go ahead and take this arrow. So we started Sunday right here. Okay. So this is the price action. See if we can get a rectangle. This is the price action for Sunday and Monday. This is the 4-hour chart, okay? And obviously, we can see here, guys, that there's a lot of consolidation. So the key, what I'm watching right now, is this Fibonacci leg. This was the last big short leg right here. This was the last big push down. I'm take my Fibonacci, and I have my high to low like this, okay? So the main area that I'm watching is this 618 right here. Okay, so this is the S&P 500 futures. I'm also going to look at SPY for those of you that want to do the options. Okay, for SPY, I'm looking for this setup right here, very similar to futures. I'm looking for the 618, 537.83. Okay, so let me just kill this. Let me hop into the Discord and I'll show you guys that I posted that right here. Okay, so I posted this in the Discord on the weekend. And this is my next big options play that I'm looking for, okay? Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So what we're trying to do here, all right, is if we look at this chart, let's go back to full screen. This was the all-time high in the market. And then we started to push and we are in a downtrend, right? You can see we're in a downtrend, downtrend. And the bulls are trying to change that trend right now, okay? But however, they must get through the 618. So the 618 is a good risk to reward short opportunity. All right. And the other thing that I wanted to show you guys, if we look at SPY, is we also had the 618 last week for the bulls. We had this one right there. That's number 1. And then the second one we had was right here. Okay. This is crazy. All right. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to put the basic on. So this is the first 618. And this right here is the second 618. Do you guys see this? Oh, wow. I'm mind blown. I'm blown away looking at this. Look at this, guys. 618 perfect right there. This was last week. And then another 618 perfect again last week. Okay. And let's use the Fibonacci dragon. There's the completion of the dragon. I mean, that is absolutely stunning. Hit me with a 12 if you see that. I love Fibonacci, guys. I've made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars trading the fibs. Only when you really trade and you look at the damn chart like we're doing right now and you're actually in it real time, can you respect the power of the fibs? Because, I mean, literally the low of the market on the 618 consistently and the high of the market on the 618 consistently, it's nothing short of spectacular. Okay, so I showed you guys everything here. All right, by the way, guys, if anyone's interested, if you want to come hop into the Discord, we have over 1,000 people now in the community in the Fibonacci Society. If you want to come out in the Discord, I'm doing a deal, $100 deal. It's $100. That's it for life. Okay, I've been doing my research on a lot of Discords. People are charging $150 a month. I'm literally charging $100 for life. Okay. So if you're interested, this is what I suggest you do. You can buy any one of my books. So stocks, options, Fibonacci. Okay. And normally they're $100. And when you read it, it says it comes with 1 month for free. but it's actually coming with lifetime. Okay. For those of you watching, you're eligible for lifetime. $100 lifetime deal. And you get to see my screen share and you get the book and everything like that. All right. Or you can email me, rich@tradingwars.com. All right. So let's continue. All right. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to talk about the market outlook on some stocks. So let's go ahead here. And I'm going to do your chart request at the end. All right. So let's start off with NVIDIA. So actually, let me get my watch list right here. So we'll start off with NVIDIA. So with NVIDIA, let me hop over to the weekly chart and let's full screen. So with NVIDIA here, guys, the last buy that I had was 95. All right. 95, we already popped up to a high of 111. So anyone that's been following me on this NVIDIA trade, if you were able to get in at the 95 level I was talking about, then go ahead and you can definitely lock in some profits. You can move your stop loss up, anything you want to do to protect. I still have a long-term target of NVIDIA to be $150. Okay. So let's talk about what happened on Monday. Do you guys remember what happened on Monday last week? Were you able to trade? Did the broker stop you from trading on Monday? So let's go to Monday. So this was last Monday on NVIDIA. Okay. So you could see that NVIDIA actually went to a low of $90.69. Okay. So what happened? There was all this tension, all this news on Sunday. And I told you guys last week, I covered my short for $4,000 and there was a lot of panic and the market gapped down. The sad thing is a lot of brokers did not allow retail to log in. Okay. So what happened is retail was not able to buy the dip on a lot of these trades. Hit me with a 10 if you understand what I'm saying. However, I'm using interactive brokers, guys, and I had no problems on Monday buying. So I just want to say that right now. If any of you guys on Monday were not able to log into your broker, that's simply unacceptable, no matter what their excuse is, because we're talking about life and death. All right. It's literally, if you could have bought NVIDIA at $90.69. Okay. So I had no problems. I actually got in, I was able to buy in the pre-market. Okay. So if you weren't able to buy, your broker should give you your money back, because that's complete bullshit. But anyways, they manipulated it on Monday and then we retire. So right now, all these fibs are alive. This fair value gap is alive. All right. So let's continue now. And I want to look at Amazon. Okay. So Amazon, this is my massive outlook right here. This is the weekly chart. Right now with Amazon, if it continues lower, I'm going to buy the dip. The most recent Fibonacci leg in play is from this low to high. It didn't really get back to the 618 because there was a lot of manipulation that happened after hours. On stocks, guys, one thing I'll say is there are a lot of manipulation that's going on. And they are moving stocks to 618 Fibonacci levels after hours. Okay, but still, I'm looking at the big picture here for Amazon right here. Okay, and this will complete the dragon pattern. Boom. All right. So if we continue to go lower, I will continue to buy. Tesla. Okay. So Tesla, we triggered our first buy right around, right between the 618 and the Fibonacci. And there's a lot of news. There's a lot of speculation on Tesla. So if we continue to go lower, this is my Fibonacci setup. So 177, 144, maximum risk is $100. Target is 300. So we're really risking about $50 a share to make $150 per share. So that's going to give you a 3-to-1 risk to reward. With the 3-to-1 risk to reward, guys, you only need to win 26 out of 100 trades. All right. Hit me with a 7 if you see what I'm saying. Okay. The most important thing that everything that I show you here, guys, the Fibonacci, why I love it is because it's a positive risk to reward. With a 2-to-1 risk to reward, if you show up to the market every day, you take 10 trades in the week, you only need to win 4 to 10. The main goal that I'm trying to teach you guys, I'm going to give you opportunities with a good risk to reward. That's the main thing. Okay. AMD is another one that I've been focusing on. So AMD right here, guys. So holding that 618 level, massive harmonic Fibonacci setup, and the target is 230. So out of all of those setups that I showed you, even if just one of them hit and the other lose, you'll still make money because we are getting a deal. We're getting a discount. All right. So that's so important. All right. So, all right. SMCI. I'm going to post this one in a bit, but this one is a perfect 618 Fibonacci hold right now. Okay. So anyone looking for some lotto calls, or if you want to try some shares or whatever you want to do, This is a good risk reward opportunity. This is a very, this stock might split, but right here, guys, if you even wanted to, if you wanted to have a tight risk to reward, you could try long right here with a stop loss of the previous week right there. Okay. And really and truly, that's the tightest I would go. And if we get back to new all-time highs, you're looking at 13, 14 times your money. Do you post MNQ fibs? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do. All right, let's look at MNQ while we're here. Okay. So these are my Fibonacci levels on MNQ. So MNQ, same thing with ES. I'm waiting for it to get to the 618. Rich, are you buying calls 40 days ahead? For swing trades, yes. I try to go like 3 to 4 weeks out. Okay. Thank you, brother RC. So let's put RC up in here. Thank you, sir. So MNQ and ES, it's the same thing. They both are approaching that 618. So that's going to be the key factor. Okay. And when we touch that 618, I'm going to alert everybody in Discord that I'm going to be taking some puts just for some protection. Okay. Now I want to show you guys something really important. Okay. So do you guys use conditional orders? Hit me with a 10 if you do. So this is the big announcement that I wanted to make today. And I think it's going to be a very massive, 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 massive game changer. Okay. And I'm going to post something right here. So I'm going to pull up my broker here and I'm going to post it in the Discord. And I want to show you guys the power of these conditional orders. So if you don't know, if you haven't heard, Interactive Brokers is now using conditional orders on your mobile. Okay. And I want to show you an example of what I did. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the screenshots here. Give me 1 second. Okay. So Interactive Brokers has mobile conditional orders now. Let me know if do you guys know about that? Have you guys heard about that? What that is? So I'm just going to go right now and I'm going to post this in the members lounge and I'm going to pull it up on the screen and show you guys. So I've been able now to trade conditional orders from my phone. And I'm going to show you an example with SPX. Okay. All right. So I got the screenshots and I'm going to post it right here. Okay. All right. Here we go. So let me go into the Discord and I'll show you. All right. So these are SPX calls. I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart. And we're going to do it based on Friday. Okay, so I'm going to put that here. And put this one here as well. Okay. All right, so this right here, guys, I strongly believe is going to change the game forever. All right. Okay. So on Friday, I bought the SPX calls. So you can see right here, I bought a call and I bought a put. So I bought the call at 3:54 p.m. and then I got the put at 3:59 p.m. So the call right here, I bought at 190. So that's $190. And I sold it right here. So it auto exercised on Saturday. So when you take it into the close, it'll auto exercise. So the August 9th, I sold for 416. And then the put, I went from 65, so $65 to $84. And that was in 1 minute. Okay. So I was able to do this using mobile conditional orders. All right. What that means, I was literally having lunch. I was in the West Coast at that time. I was having lunch and I bought these calls automatically. So let me give you an example. So if we go to the SPX chart, so here's the SPX chart right here. Okay. So here's an example right here. We take our Fibonacci tool, low to high. So if you notice here, 235, and then later on at 255, we had this 618 hold of this last leg. So you can use this on any leg, right? You can use this on any leg. Like, so let's find another leg. So you can start off, so 930 is right here. So where's 930? Right there, 930. We come off of low to high. we have another 618 there. And if we come off of that low to high right here, we have another 618 here. So the whole day there were 618 Fibs, right? Hit me with a 20 if you see what I'm saying. There were 618 Fibonacci's everywhere, okay? But here's what you can do now. So with Interactive Brokers on your phone, so you can say when SPX touches, so let's say this 618, 53.15.98. So in this case, just round up. So if SPX touches 53.16, buy me the 53.17 calls automatically. So what it'll do is it'll wait. All right. So let's say up here, you put in the order on your phone. It's hanging around, hanging around, hanging around, hanging around. Boom. Now it pierces through. And then as soon as it goes below 53.16, it's going to fill your order, buy you the calls automatically. Okay. So it's going to buy it at market. So the reason why this is extremely beneficial is because look at this, how fast this is. You might not have the ability to even enter the trade. Hit me with the 7 if you see what I'm saying. Because it's literally 5 minutes and then it's boom, it's gone. And then what happens is a lot of times people end up chasing and they end up getting screwed. Okay. But if you set up the conditionals, right, then you can get in. So this one I did 0 DTE on this one because I was just testing this and making sure it works. So, not bad for 0 DTE from 174 to 416 and from 65 to 84. And if you see here, my commissions were very low on IBKR, $1.74 and $1.65. So I just wanted to show you guys that. All right. So the conditional order feature, if you guys are interested and you want me to make a video on the mobile conditional order, just hit me with a 1 right now. And at the end of the video, just drop a like. Okay. So that was the big announcement I wanted to make because once you know the fib levels, this can be applied on the weekly chart as well. So let me give you an example. Here's NVDA. Okay. So we know we want to buy NVIDIA when it's below $100.50, right? So on Monday, when NVIDIA gapped down below $100.50, the broker would automatically buy you calls right away, okay, at the market. It'll automatically buy you the calls. So therefore, my friends, for those of you that are really busy, those of you that are working, like that's what I used to do back in the day. I used to use conditional orders on the TWS system, Trader Workstation. But now you could do this on your phone. You can go to lunch at work or wherever you are, if you're on the road, and you can place these orders based on the price action you're seeing. And this is really good for swings as well. So example with NVIDIA, once NVIDIA broke $100, so on Monday, when it hit $90.69, it automatically buy you calls. Okay. So that's game changing because a lot of times people can't pull the trigger. Hit me with the 3 if you suffer from that. Sometimes people can't pull the trigger because it's the emotions that kill them. The best way to become profitable is to take the emotions out. Okay. Take the emotions out. All right. All right. So let's do some chart requests right now. And if you guys have any questions, please post them in the chat. And we're going to do the lifetime Discord winner. All right. So do you guys have any questions or chart requests? Please post it in. What's going on, Tom? What's going on, Arnaldo, Trading Wars Army, Byron? What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for coming out on a Monday. I appreciate you. STK, what's going on, my friend? So while we're waiting for your chart requests or your questions, this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to pick the lifetime Discord winner, and it's going to be from this video, my complete golden zone Fibonacci. So all you guys need to do is just click on that link and comment Fib King and click on my 2 interactive broker guides. So click on that link, click on these 2 guides and comment Fib King. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this. And the 3rd comment from the top is going to be the winner. Actually, what I'll do is this. I'm going to refresh this. The last comment is going to be the winner. Okay. All right. So let's go to Microsoft, PLTR, Netflix. All right. So we crashing. I'm not sure what that means. But what I'm looking for right now is I'm looking for us to come back to the 618 short. Okay, I have a short on from last week. I already took a short right around here. So if we come back up to the 618 again, I'm going to take another short. And my game plan is maximum risk is going to be the swing high, short here, right? And the long was last week. If we come off of this low to high, the long was right here. This was the 618 long from last week. So the fibs are playing really, really good right now. There's a lot of opportunity. So we just got to focus on the best risk to reward setups. All right, so we got Microsoft. So Microsoft, we have a double bottom setup. So I've been watching Microsoft. This is a double bottom setup. So right around 390. Here's the first low. Here's the second low. So if you want to take a play on Microsoft, your maximum risk, if you want to do a short-term trade, will be the low of this candle, which is 385.58. And then you basically want to continue to add and see if we can climb back up. Otherwise, with Microsoft, we really have to go back to the last swing low, which is around here, to the high. And you can see the next level, the next 618. It's kind of crazy. Look at that. Where we stopped was the 50% retracement. Hit with the 17 if you see that. The next 618 is around 370.61. So that's actually kind of crazy right there. All right. So we got PLTR. So PLTR, I know, had great earnings, right? We had that gap up. So an easy way to play PLTR is all of these fair value gaps right here. So this one here, this one here, this one here, all of these fair value gaps you can buy if you want to trade this. I don't trade this name, but you could buy all of these fair value gaps. Your maximum risk would be right here. Okay. FSLR. So FSLR, this is a textbook Fibonacci setup here. Come off of this low to high, right on the 50% retracement inside this fair value gap. Okay. So your maximum risk would be this swing low, but this is a textbook Fibonacci pullback. When order filled, does notification show up on your watch too if paired? I don't know. I don't have it connected to my watch. Rich Honeywell has a dragon set up on the 4 hours. Okay. Take a look. Yeah, so I see it right here. This is a little bit of a deeper pullback. 786 is right there. Yeah, I don't trade this name, but it's definitely something you can if you want to, brother. Good. All I want to teach you guys is about pullback trading and getting a discount. That's the main thing that I want my message to be. Okay. Are you guys done commenting? Hit me with an 11 and we're going to pick the winner and wrap it up, guys. And I just want to say what I'm doing right now. I'm doing $100 deal for lifetime Discord. I don't think you guys understand what that means. Most people are charging $150 a month for Discord to watch them trade live or whatever the hell they do. Okay. I'm offering you guys $100 lifetime deal where you can watch me screen share, watch my trades, get my book. So take advantage of that because I'm not going to keep it open forever. Email me rich@tradingwars.com to secure, or go to my website, buy any one of my books for the $99.99, and I'll automatically upgrade you to lifetime. Okay. On the website, you can use credit card, debit card, Venmo, PayPal. Okay. Microsoft, what expiration dates do you typically target? If you're doing a swing, it's probably at least 2 to 3 weeks out. All right, so you guys are done. Let's go ahead and pick the winner. And the one thing that I'm doing too, guys, is I'm doing a lot of lifetime giveaways. So there's always a chance to get involved. There's always a chance to win. If you want to make money trading, if you want to come see me trade live, there's always a chance. Whether you don't have the money or not, you can support by commenting and dropping a like. Here we go. The winner today is right here. So Remco Wagen Makers. All right. Remco Wagen Makers, Remco Trading is the winner. I don't know if you're in the chat right now, brother. That name does look familiar to me. Remco, if you're in the chat, hit me with a 17 and I'll put you up on here. So the goal, guys, this is, I think, number 55 or number 56. If you guys want me to do 100 lifetime Discord giveaways, at the end of this video, just drop a like and drop a comment. Say Fib King. All right. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Don't forget about the $100 deal if you guys are interested. I appreciate your guys' time, and I hope this update will help you. And I'm going to be looking for those puts on the 618 once we arrive there. And congratulations to anyone that took this 618 long last week. We did discuss this in the Discord. This was a great trade last week as well. Thank you so much, guys. Hit me with a 1 on the way out. And I'm going to give you guys an update later on in this week. Very much appreciate you guys. And try the conditional orders out, guys. Even if you're paper trading, now there's literally no excuse to not trade anymore. There's literally no excuse. You can set the orders in the morning before you go to work on your phone, and you can just let it run for the rest of the day. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.